Marañon, our honorable councilors, Ma'am Raquel, Ma'am Alma, a staff of CareSpan Asia and Nickel Asia, our honorable barangay officials, especially officials of RHU2, my fellow healthcare workers, and my fellow LGU workers. Maupay nga udto aton nga tanan. So consulta services in G1, specifically in RHU1, took off in August 2023. To date, we have already registered 14,956 individuals. However, G1 has more than 50,000 population. And with this partnership with Nickel Asia and CareSpan, we hope to expand our services and cover the remaining 35,000 population. There are still too many steps to undertake until this project is up and running and have far-reaching benefit for our people. But I am confident that the expertise of people from CareSpan Asia and the digital platform they will provide will cement our commitment and efforts to implement our consulta services, particularly to our GIDA barangays, with better efficiency and success. To Nickel Asia, thank you for the grant. To CareSpan, to G1 LGU through Mayor Annalise for looking into the needs of the Rural Health Unit and for finding ways to fill in the gap in terms of advancing our reach to the farthest barangays. May our actions today lead to better health outcomes as envisioned in the Universal Healthcare Act. In closing today's activity, let me express my gratitude to everyone who were instrumental to the realization of this MOA signing for G1. Haiyo nga tanan, damo nga salamat ngan maupay nga udto.
Thank you so much, Dr. Maria Socorro Flores, our Municipal Health Officer. And that concludes our ceremonial MOA signing between the Nickel Asia Corporation, the CareSpan Asia Incorporated, and the local government unit of G1. Thank you so much. Maupay na aga hapon na tanan.